Today we had the great opportunity of having Dr. Foust join us in the classroom. He came in, he was able to showcase his culinary skills, and he showed us how to make Alfredo sauce from scratch. He did a blackened salmon as well as a blackened chicken. He did a couple of different dishes for the kids. They thoroughly enjoyed it. He just showcased his culinary skills and brought it into our classroom. So at Culinary 1, we teach basic knife skills, sanitation. We teach the kids about different basic techniques. Level 1 is kind of surface level, and then you build onto level 2 and 3. Level 2 and 3 is where my students come in and they do internship experiences within the community. This year, my group of kids are interning at Live Oak Bank. Live Oak Bank is a great company. We love the community relationships that we build with them. They take our kids in. They have a bunch of great chefs over there to teach them real life industry experience. They teach them all about all the different experiences from a professional standpoint. This is what CTE pushes. We push the community relationships. We teach the kids about real life industry experiences, and then they bring a full circle back to the classroom. When they leave my program, they are able to go into the industry, work at entry level at any different type of restaurant. They get basic skills in the level 1, level 2 and 3 is a more advanced level. It was great today to have Dr. Foust hanging out with us. The kids enjoyed it. It brought them to see him, get to know him on a different level. So it's always awesome to have anybody from the board here in the classroom to be able to engage in the kids on a more personal, intimate level.